from Every Plate, and I wanted to open it, see what we got inside here. So I went with 5 meals. I did the Tuscan herbed chicken, the barbecue beet meatloaves, the garlic rosemary chicken, herby pork chops and tomato cream sauce. Oh my gosh. Greek pork meatball bowls. Yeah, that's it. And I'm super excited. Everything, what is this? Ooh, some more information about Every Plate. And it comes in this, let's see, oh, it's so heavy. It comes in this cool package. Got all my produce up here. Chicken stock. I mean, all my stuff is in here that I need to make all these meals. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be chef testing all of these meals from Every Plate, from Dinnerly, and from HelloFresh over the next few weeks, and give you guys some honest feedback from a chef to, you know, potential customers, people who buy these things, and let you know what I think. So stay tuned.